Today we are going to learn how to make a video and publish it on internet. So you can share the link with a public space, a school, a virtual classroom, or simply with your friends. The video will be made of two parts. One part giving you some instruction on how to use a screen recorder, and the second part will be how to load your video on YouTube. So let's start. How to create a video to share on internet. Go to the website of Screencast. You just look on Google search for the program, and when you are on their website, just click on Start Recording for free. Then launch free recorder. Then you give the OK to the download of the little program, the little application, so you could save. And then you click on this extension that the computer downloaded. There you go. An icon has been created on your desktop. That looks like this circle. You can also find your program on the list of programs on your computer, under the icon of Windows, under S, Screencast-O-Matic, and then here there is the icon. When you open the program, it will look like this one. You have three screen modes. The first one is only screen. It will record only what appears on your screen, the screen of your computer. Webcam, it will record only what your webcam sees, or both. This is very interesting because it will record your screen and the capture of your webcam. Usually it will be recorded and shown on the right bottom corner of your screen, of your computer. So just remember, adjust the capture frame so that it really covers the area of your screen that you want to record. If you want to record, of course, the screen, and press record, and use the same to pause or stop here, as you can see. When you're finished, of course, because you pressed the stop button, it's always in the same position. You can click on done if you are happy about your recording, or you choose right away the trash if you just want to begin all over again. We choose done in this case, and it will come up this one. Just choose save upload, because the edit video is very beautiful, but it's for the paid version. So save upload, and this gives you different options. I usually use the first one because it lets me save a copy of the video on my computer. So save as video file. You click on this one. The video file will have the extension of MP4, so playable on internet, on every device. And just make sure that you know where you are putting your recording. See, if you can see here, folder, I chose desktop. Doesn't matter where you want to save it, just it's important that you know where your video is going to be, because you have to retrieve it later. And then you click on publish. Okay, don't get discouraged. The more you use these programs, the more they will be easy to use. Now we begin the second part of our video, where we're going to learn how to load our recordings on YouTube. Okay, this part looks complicated, but it really is not. You go simply on your Gmail account, like the email that you can open for free, on Google called Gmail. If you don't have it, please do it because it's so good and complete that is worth it. And click on the icon with the dots. This icon here, and will open another window with all the application that you can use when you have a free account on Google, and you can choose YouTube. In this case, you are already on your YouTube space. The first time you access YouTube to load a video, the system though asks you to create a channel. It is free, so just follow the instructions. I will not go through this because it's a little, I don't want to make the video too long. It's just, follow the instruction, accept the terms and conditions. It's absolutely free. So when you are inside your space, on the top right of the screen, close to your little picture, choose the icon with a webcam, this one with little plus, and then choose load video. Okay, I have here in Italian, but unfortunately, but it's load video, okay, with this little symbol. Then when this window opens up, you can simply click on this icon with the arrow facing facing up, and will open the files of your computer. And of course, you have to look for your video that you just recorded, your MP4. So click on the icon for the upload and choose your MP4 file. That is your video from your computer. There you go. It will practically upload your file. And even there, it's very easy. You can give a series of okay, it's fine. If you want to go through all the options, you can. It doesn't make so much difference. And also is very, very clear. Once it's on your computer, you will have a list of the videos you loaded on your space. And it will show in here. In this case, we want to share this particular video. Then we want to click on this little pencil that is like the options and details, and will come up all the descriptions about our video. In this case, you can see this blue string is the link to the video. It's the place where our video is located on internet. You can simply copy, and then you can paste it to an email or on a free web space to share with whoever you want, and they will find you. Thank you for watching. I'm sure you will be able to create a post very beautiful video very soon. Okay, see you. Bye.